Good morning, sir. I'm Dr. Bella. I'm going to be on the session today. So today we're going to do abdominal examination. This is to check if there's any abnormality in your abdominal region. So this examination will have me to touch some part of your body, especially your abdomen area. Is that okay for you? Yes. Okay. Okay, before I start the examination, I have to wash my hands first. Do you feel any pain in certain area? Which area? Oh, here? Okay. Okay, now for the examination, I need you to lay down on your back. I'll help you. Excuse me. Okay. First, I'm gonna inspect your abdomen area. It looks normal because the surface shape is flat and there's no lumps or masses. It is symmetrical and the skin color is even and there's no visible pulsation in your abdomen. Now I'm gonna hear your abdomen sound. Okay. Starting from your epigastric area here. Okay. And then I will continue to the other managerial. This is the umbilical area. Okay. The result is normal because the frequency of your bowel sound is every 5 to 10 seconds. Also, there's no bruits or metallic sound. Next, we're gonna do percussion. I'm gonna tap on your abdominal area. Now I'm gonna percuss the region of your abdomen. Coming from here, this is the right upper region. Down. Tiffany. Down. Tiffany. Okay, so the sound is normal. Next, we're moving on to the border. Excuse me, starting from the spaces between the second space between your ribs. Okay, this is the upper border of the liver. Okay, this is the inferior border of your liver. It is about 8 centimeters, so it is normal. Now I'm moving on to the next test. I'm going to percuss your spleen area. Okay, for the spleen percussion, I need to check your spleen here. It's about in the spaces between that space between your ribs. I'm going to percuss it here. In the anterior mid-axillary line here. Okay. Okay, so the sound is tympanic, which is normal. Now we're gonna do palpation. Now I'm gonna do superficial palpation, starting from your left leg here. Tell me if there's any discomfort, okay? You said the pain is in here, right? So I'm gonna open it last. And then I'm gonna perform a deep palpation. Please tell me if there's any discomfort. Okay, now I'm gonna palpate the area that you feel pain. Okay, is it hurt? Okay. Then for your result, it is a bit of tension, maybe because you trying to resist the pain. For the pain itself, let me check if it spread to certain area. Still hurt here? Tell me if it's not hurt anymore, okay? Okay, it doesn't hurt. Okay, it's around your umbilical area. I'm gonna do the palpation of your liver. Please tell me if there's any discomfort, okay? I'm just gonna start from your iliac region here, right? And I will move on to the proximal part. Please tell me if there's any discomfort. Okay. Okay, do you feel any discomfort? No? Okay. Even doing the deep palpation, your liver is not really palpable, that means it's normal. And the surface is flat, there's no like masses, there's no nodules, and the consistency is somewhat in the middle of hard and soft. I'm gonna do split Rayleigh palpation now, but see other method. So starting from here and 10th area, my hand will be placed on your back in the 10th ribs, front ribs. So I mean it's the sound of the discomfort. Okay, so the result is normal. Your liver is not really palpable, which is normal. I'm gonna check your lien, but it's gonna be the other method, the Hackett method. I'm gonna place my left hand on your back in the 10, about in the 10 ribs, and then I will slowly palpate from down to up your abdomen. Okay, your lien is normal because it's not really palpable. Now I'm gonna check if there's any acetous fluid in your body. Now I'm gonna check if there's any shifting dullness. First, I'm gonna put my hand on your umbilical area. I will percuss laterally to the left side. Okay, this is where's the tympani, and that will change to hoarseness. And then now I want you to lay towards me. Excuse me, I will help you. Now I'm gonna percuss laterally. Okay, there's no changes in the sound. It's still tympani. Then it would be normal. I'm gonna check if there's any fluid wave or undulation. First, I need you to place your hand, your right or left hand in your umbilical area here, like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my both of my palm in your lateral side and push it opposite, and while the other hand holds your body. I'm checking for undulation, which means if there's any fluid, there's gonna be vibration. Good. If there's no fluid in your peritoneal area, so it's normal. For today's examination, thank you for coming. Do you have any question? No? Okay, then good morning. Hope you have a great day.